Hi.
Say hi, Caitlin.
Ultimate punch.
Tell me a story.
A story. Okay, we went to IHOP and there's a guy there and he kept talking about how he wanted Belgian waffles with strawberries and it was really funny.
And your feelings on that?
And he said that he wanted to go to IHO instead of IHOP, the International House of Waffles, but it should be IHOW instead of IHO. So he's really stupid. Oh, and he said he showered with knives and nobody in his family dropped the soap.
He sleeps with pistols.
All right. Justin, make a comment.
Easier than the last one.
I don't know. Say something.
Say your life theory.
Yeah, give me your theory.
My life.
Your life,
Yeah.
your motto.
Lindsay's gonna be a crappy spy.
That is not a good theory. Christina, tell me something.
What do you want to know?
Anything.
That your theory about everything that rises in the east sets in the east,
no.
and you use boys as an example, and boys don't rise in the east, they rise up.
No. What's your favorite
Sarah.
color?
What's my favorite color?
Yellow.
How are you?
Well, that's close.
No, it's not.
Hi, what am I telling you?
Anything you want. Tell me a story.
My story sucked. I don't remember that. You made fun of it.
It was a
Lindsay,
memory.
I love you. That's my theory on life. I love Lindsay.
Oh.
Mean
so
people
nice.
suck.
I fell down on Saturday and I had a big bruise on my hip.
In front of Veranda's Victory.
Yeah, in front of Brandon Vickery.
Ew, why were you with him?
He wasn't. He was at the Chop House eating before his prom.
That's what I him.